this is a small commercial break without any commercial interest in any of the products or company. The Vial Procars are available now. They provide good IOP control during the vitreous surgery. There are lesser chances of vitreous incarceration. The instrument exchange during the vitrectomy is safer, and they are available as one-step or two-step systems. Various companies are making it, but the advantage with DOT and Bausch & Lomb is that you have a removable valves. They are available in all the gauges. This is a very simple, effective silicone oil removal device. This is from a company from Turkey, but Medone and Doc are also making it. The silicone oil removal becomes much faster and safer with these devices. You just have to place this device over the trocar system after removing the valve, and you connect it to the aspirating system. The silicone oil comes very fast and safely. This is same kind of thing with which is called high flow silicone oil extraction device from Flow. You just have to connect it to the aspirating system for silicone oil removal. Curved directional laser probes are available now with Synergetics and DOT. The advantage is it provides easier access to the peripheral retina. Membrane Blue Dual has a combination of trypan blue and beryllium blue dye. It stains both epiretinal membrane and ILM and the PVR membrane. It can be injected in the fluid-filled eye. You need not do a air fluid exchange for injecting the dye because it sinks to the posterior pole without dispersion with the help of its carrier. Various kinds of chandeliers are available for bimanual surgery. This is a twin light 27 gauge Eckhart chandelier. It comes with a guiding needle. You can place it anywhere in the globe. Wherever, if you want, you can put it superiorly. It is a very useful tool for bimanual surgery for membrane as well as for the peripheral vitreous removal. Similar things are available with Synergetics Car Oz Dual 29 gauge chandelier. It is a trocar based system. It is easier to insert, but the disadvantage is the illumination is not as good as with the 27 gauge chandelier. This is available with Synergetics. These are trocar-based chandeliers which are helpful in bimanual dissection of peripheral vitreous with your other hand. If you use your other hand, the synchronization is better. 27 gauge vitrectomy is there for last 2-3 years. Now almost all the instruments are available in 27 gauge. This is a DOC system. I am using it for last 3-4 years. Alcon has also come up with a 27 gauge, but I think they have not launched it in India. The advantage with 27 gauge is you have a very fine instrument for finer work, and the surgery is completely sutureless. This is a very interesting thing. It's a world's first single-use non-contact wide-angle viewing system. It incorporates a new Biome high-definition disposable lens for better clarity. The advantage is that it has a 130-degree view, HD clarity, and that high magnification reduces the need for a macular lens. You just have to change your zooming. This is my friend Dr. Ajay Arora has developed. This is a very interesting needle trocar cannula system, very comparatively cheaper than other products available in the market. It uses disposable hypodermic needle as trocar with proprietary trocar cannula or a re-autoclavable stainless steel cannula. Dr. Ajay can be contacted for that. He is sitting here in the front row. Endoscopic vitreous surgery is another thing which has come up. It provides view, illumination, and laser all through 20 or 23 gauge probe. The advantage is it provides visualization of inaccessible region of the eye, behind the iris, ciliary body, peripheral retina, and vitreous. An internal view of retina is also possible despite the anterior segment opacity.